Hi guys, welcome back. Right now I am on my old Windows 10 PC and as you can see this system is running Windows 10 version 22H2. Now the first question is, can this old PC run Windows 11 or not? So let's quickly check that. So I am going to open the Microsoft websites and from here I will download the PC Health Check tool. This tool helps us check whether our PC meets the Windows 11 system requirement. And as you can see, the file gets downloaded very quickly. Once the download is completed, I am going to open the installer and install the PC Health Check application. The installation is very simple, just click install and wait for a few seconds and the tool will be ready to use. Now I will open the PC Health Check app. Here you will see an option that says check Windows 11 eligibility. So I will click on check now. And here you can see the result. It clearly says your PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. If you check the details, it shows that the processor is not supported. And this PC is also missing TPM 2.0 secure boot. So normally because of this restriction, Windows 11 installation will be blocked on this PC. But the good news is you can still update the PC to Windows 11, even if the hardware is not officially supported. Okay. So in today's video, I will show you a very simple trick. So watch this video till the end and just follow the steps carefully. By the end of this video, you will be able to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 successfully. So let's begin with the first step. So once again open any browser on your PC and search for Windows 11 download. And make sure you open the official Microsoft website. Okay. Next, scroll down until you see the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Here, click on the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click on Confirm. Now choose your product language. After that, click on Confirm again. Next, click on 64-bit download. And as you can see, the download will start. The file size is around 7.2 GB, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. So please be patient and let it download completely. Once the download is completed, go to the folder where the ISO file is saved. And right click on the ISO file, then click on Mount. As soon as you click Mount, Windows will create a virtual DVD drive and the Windows 11 setup files will open automatically. If it does not open automatically, simply open this PC and double click the newly created DVD drive, which is F drive as you can see here. It may be different drive later in your case. Okay. Now inside this Windows 11 setup folder, you will see many files. Among them, there is a file called setup. If your PC officially supported the Windows 11 update, you can simply double click on the setup files and the installation will start normally. But if your PC shows the message the PC does not meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, then the setup will not allow the update. So in that case, we need to use a small trick to bypass the compatibility check. Now look at the top address bar of this folder and click once on the address bar. Then type CMD and press enter. This will open command prompt directly inside this setup folder. Now in the command prompt window, you need to type setup.exe space / product server space / compat IgnoreWarning space / MigrateDrivers space all. Then press enter. By the way, this command can be a very long to type, so I have added it in the video description below. You can just copy the command from there and paste it into the command prompt. This command tells the Windows setup program to ignore the hardware compatibility check and proceed with the update. But in some cases, if this method does not work on your system, don't worry, I have already made another video showing a different process to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported PC. You can find that video from the I button above, or I have also added the link in the video description below. At the first, it may shows preparing with a percentage. So just wait for a few seconds while Windows prepares the setup files. After that, you will see a button that says change how setup download updates. Now click on that and select Not Right Now, then click Next. Now the setup will start checking your PC and preparing everything for installation. After that, you will see the license agreement. Simply click Accept to continue. Next, you will see a screen called Choose What to Keep. Here you have a few options. If you want to keep all your files, apps and settings, then you can select Keep Personal Files and Apps. But in today's video, I am going to select Nothing. This means Windows will perform a clean installation and all apps, files and settings will be removed from the system type. So if you choose these options, make sure you take a backup of your important files first. After selecting the options you want, click Next. Now you will see a message saying making sure you are ready to install. This means Windows is preparing everything for the final setup. Next, it will show making sure your PC has enough space. Here Windows checks whether your system has enough storage to continue with the installation. Once these checks are completed, the ready to install page will appear. On these screens, you can see a quick summary of what you have selected. For example, it may show install Windows 11 Pro and keep nothing, depending on the options you choose. Now, before clicking install, you might notice something interesting. You may see install Windows Server written at the top. Don't panic, you are not installing Windows Server here. This is simply a small trick that allows the setup to bypass the hardware checks like Secure Boot, TPM 2.0 and unsupported processor restriction. Now go ahead and click on install to begin the Windows 11 upgrade. And your PC will start upgrading to Windows 11. During this process, your computer may restart several times, which is completely normal. Just wait patiently and do not turn off your PC. After the installation finish, Windows will complete the setup and take you to the Windows 11 desktop. That means you will successfully boot into Windows 11 even though your PC originally showed the unsupported hardware message. Once you are on the desktop, let's confirm the version. And for that, press Windows plus R, then type WinVer and press enter. A small window will appear. Here you should see Windows 11 and the latest version number 25H2. That means the upgrade is successful. So that's how you can easily upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on an unsupported PC using this simple command method. I hope this video helped you guys. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more simple and practical tech video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.